This pattern carries untold potential. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern that has formed and is currently forming on Bitcoin. It very well may send us up to or above $70,000, and in today's video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how it works and why it is pointing towards the bottom being in. Without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Bitcoin has gone on an absolutely gargantuan rally, gaining $60,000 in value and rallying almost 400% in the last year and a half since we bottomed out in November of 2022 after the fateful crash of FTX. During that time, Bitcoin has been through several 20% drops that totaled less than $10,000, but we have never seen an over $10,000 drop of this magnitude. Bitcoin has recently dropped 23.5%, a $17,000 correction, and it seems that that corrective movement may be coming to its conclusion. The way that this could be playing out is through what is called an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which can be seen right here, where we have a left shoulder indicating the first of our drops and one of the higher bounces. We have our head where the market drops even farther than the first shoulder, and then we have our right shoulder where we drop to about the same level as we dropped on the left shoulder. The inverse head and shoulders pattern gives us a price target, which can be calculated by drawing from what we call the neckline, where we connect these two peaks. We calculate the price target by dragging a price target from our head to the neckline, and then we extrapolate from the point of breakout, which I estimate to be about here in the third week of May. That gives us a rally that would start at $63,000 and can bring us all the way up to $73,000, which is our previous all-time high. From there, the market could continue to break even farther, pushing towards 100, moving on into the summer and fall as we originally predicted. The inverse head and shoulders pattern is formed by an ABC corrective wave here, where we have a first impulse wave, then a corrective wave against the primary trend, which in this case was bearish, and then a second impulse wave that follows the primary trend, which again is bearish. That ABC corrective wave that you can see right here has led us down to our bottom at $56,000. On the right side of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, oftentimes you will see what's known as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Elliott wave chart formation play out, where we have our first impulse wave moving in the direction of the primary trend, which is bullish. Then we have our first corrective wave, which is our 2 wave, which we are experiencing right now. From there, we would see our 3 wave, which could break us out of the inverse head and shoulders pattern, and then there may be a 4th corrective wave and a 5th impulse wave, which would take us to the eventual price target, in this case, $73,000. The good news is Bitcoin's right shoulder has formed with us dropping down to $60,500. Our right shoulder sat around $60,000, so this could potentially already be the bottom. We're seeing a green candlestick forming right now, and MACD has flipped bullish on the daily chart. Our very own Crypto Jeb oscillator is indicating that the bears have stopped gaining strength, even though we have corrected over the course of the last 3 days, and it looks like the bottom may be in. On the daily chart, our sell signal right here gave us a price target dropping down to about 59,000. We've already hit that, so it is very possible that we are done with this correction. This is very exciting news, because if Bitcoin is well and truly done with this crash, then that means that now is the perfect time to begin loading up our bags. Our investment thesis is as follows. We invest in assets that we reasonably believe will be worth more 5 years from now than they are today, with at least a 95% certainty. I am much more than 95% confident that Bitcoin will be worth significantly more in 5 years than it is right now. So that is why right now is a great time to begin dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. But one of the reasons that you're not investing in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is because it's hard. It's a user interface, user experience issue, and that's why we brought online the sponsor of today's video, Crypto.com. You see why I and over 100 million users worldwide love Crypto.com is because of its excellent and easy user interface. If you want to set up recurring purchases to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, then you've found the right place. Make sure to go to Crypto.com by using the link in the description box down below, and it will help to support the channel and help you to build the habit of investing on a regular basis. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. But before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, I got a real